Exercise 3.1. Question first. Find the radian measure. Find radian measures degree corresponding to degree measures. Corresponding to degree measures. So first is given to you 25 degree. So when you convert into radian measure, we know that radian measure is equal to pi upon 180 into degree measure. Now put it here, degree. So degree is given to you 25, cut with 5, and it will cut, you will get 5 3s are 15, and so 5 pi upon 36. This is the radian. Now second part is minus 47 degree 30 minute. Now we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 1 degree is equal to, इसको अपन को किस में करना है, डिग्री में करना है, so divided by 60, so 30 upon 60 1 by 2. This is minus 47 1 by 2 degree. This will convert into degree. It is a mixed fraction. Convert into fraction. 94 plus 1, 95 upon 2 degree. Now convert into radian measure. Radian measure is equal to pi upon 180 into माइनस डायरेक्शन बता रहा है, नेगेटिव एंगल है, माइनस 95, माइनस मैंने यहाँ रख दिया, माइनस 95 अपॉन 2, कट विद 5, इट बिकम्स 5 1 जा 5, 19 and 36. So minus 19 upon 19 pi upon 72 radian. Now 240 degree. Now 240 degree. See here, radian measure. Radian measure is equal to pi upon 180 into degree. What is degree? 240. This will cut. You will cut with table of 6. 6 4 ja, 6 3s are, you will get 4 pi upon 3. Now the question is 520 degree. So radian measure is equal to pi upon 180 into 520. So 0 0 cut, 2 2s are 4, 6, 9, 26 pi upon 9. 2 से काटा. So this is the answer. Now question number second. Now we have to find out degree measure. Question number 2. Find the degree measure. Radian is given to you. Use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Now first part, see here, radian is given to you 11 upon, radian measure is given to you, this is 11 upon 16, this is radian measure. Convert into degree measure. Degree measure मैंने कहा है, degree measure is equal to 180 upon pi into radian measure. So 180 upon, instead of pi you will write 22 upon 7, तो 7 ऊपर आ जाएगा, into 11 upon 16. Now you can cut, so you will cut it, you will get 2 8 ja, 2 9 ja, so it becomes 11 2 ja and 45. So 45 into 7 upon 8. So it becomes 215. 35, 28, 315. 315 upon 8. Now it is radian measure. Now degree measure में convert करना है. It is now you have to divide by 8. So what you will get? 315 upon डिग्री में निकालते हैं, डिग्री एंड मिनट में 8 से डिवाइड कीजिए, 8 3 जा 24, 8 इसको 11 में 4 75, 8 9 जा 72. Here you see that 3 is the remainder. You can write 39 degree 3 upon 8 degree. Now you convert into minutes, so multiplied by 60. Now divide 60 by 8. ये कितना हो गया? So it becomes 39 degree 39 3 180 upon 8. 3 6 are 18. Now divide it. It is also in degree, so convert into minute. So this is minute na, so convert in, this is minute, you convert into minute, so it will get 360. इसको काट दीजिए 2 से, 34 से काट दीजिए, 15 upon 2, तो ये हो गया 45 upon 2 मिनट. 45 upon 2 मिनट. अब इसको अपन सेकंड्स में कन्वर्ट कर लें, सो ये हो जाएगा 39 डिग्री 45 upon 2 into 60 सेकेंड. तो कितना हो जाएगा? इसको काटे तो ये तो 30 हो जाएगा. 45 upon 2 है, 45 upon 2. फर्स्ट यू कन्वर्ट इनटू मिनट इनटू फ्रैक्शन. 45 को 2 से काट डिवाइड कीजिए, कितना आएगा? 2 2 जा 4, 0 5, 2 2 जा 4, 1 बचा, तो इट बिकम्स 39 डिग्री 22 मिनट एंड QRD 1 upon 2 मिनट है. अब इसको सेकंड में करना है इनटू 60, so it become 30. So final answer is 39 degree 22 minute 30 second. This is the final answer.